I am off to quilting class this morning, but first I need a Starbucks. I am so tired today. It is freezing outside and I just can't seem to wake up. So I got myself, of course, a chai tea latte with almond milk this morning. My sweet friend Heather sent me a gift card, so this one is on her. So thank you, friend. I'm just really needing this coffee this morning. Even the girls had such a hard time waking up. I think it's because it just slept so good in the cold. And like we had to go in the beds, wake up the girls, like they were not wanting to wake up. So yeah, so I'm hoping today to be able to get things moving with the quilt, figure out the last blocks. It's so exciting. Later during the day and I am home working on some of the quilt blocks. This is actually one that I will show you guys a bit, but it is going to be hand sewn as well as quilt sewn, which is so incredible and amazing. Oh, I just love it. So you saw a little bit of footage of me in the quilt shop. We were actually looking up on the different, we have like the border, but we also have one which is called the lattice. And I decided to go with the darker blue color. This was the one that, I don't know, I just felt was a little bit more me. And we have 2 weeks until the next quilt lesson, and I'm hoping to finish all 12 blocks by this last class. No, I think we have 2 more classes after that. So I only have 2 classes left, and I definitely want this one done because I would love to do a winter or holiday quilt for the month of November, December. So who knows, but I'm just really loving the process of everything and love quilting this, and my sew station has just made it so much easier for me to bring it down, bring it up. I've been sewing almost every day because it's just been bringing me so much calmness, and I don't know, I love it. So here is the first one that I'm going to glue on, and then this is going to be the middle. How stunning is that? And I'm going to be hand sewing all of these together. And then the next one is going to be this beauty right here. So that one is going to be the one next. But I'm in awe with this. I think it's incredible. Oh, okay, wait, all right. See, I'm watching it right here. So the yellow is supposed to be in the center and not this one. Great for me to pick that up now before I start sewing and gluing this on. But yeah, so I sewed all of these, did all the seams, and now I need to figure out what I do next. But yes, I am so excited. Tomorrow is quilting class, and I have 2 more blocks to fully finish and cut before tomorrow's class. I'm not really sure if I can make it, but my plan is to try. Right now I'm using Daybreak, and the next one is going to be, it's called Indian Summer. So I just have these 2 more. I'm cutting up Daybreak right now. After I'm fully done cutting up that one, I'm thinking about cutting up Indian Summer, just so I can have all the pieces together. And my 2 other ones that I've shown here a little bit need to be hand sewn. So they've all been quilt sewn, but you go all around and you hand sew it on. And here's the other one. So these are the last 4 blocks out of my 12 block quilt, which I'm so excited, and I really want to be able to go tomorrow and start putting this all together because it's just absolutely amazing. I love seeing all the pieces come together and the colors. Oh, it's just amazing. Right now I'm at my sew station, which I've been obsessed. I love the sew station so much because of just the way that it's so versatile. It's also so compact, and I'm just able to close it up when I'm not using it. I have this right now in front of my window, and it is just perfect spot for all of my quilting. When I'm done, I literally just turn off my sewing machine and I can leave the room. I used to have to go on my coffee table all the time, and now I'm just loving it. It's amazing. Here is where I'm at, and I put back the 9 patch because I kind of like it with it. Let me know what you think. So I just finished, where are you? I just finished that one. And then these 2 I still need to hand sew before tomorrow morning's class, so I thought of maybe doing that while watching a little bit of TV. But here she is, friends. I am so beyond excited to go to quilt class tomorrow morning and to finally start assembling this gorgeous, amazing quilt. I'm just beyond excited. I also wanted to show you all the decision that I made. So I chose the dark blue for the lattice, so that is going to be going all in between each of the squares. This is just to kind of show. And I chose this gorgeous fabric as the border for the quilt, and I'm just so beyond excited for tomorrow morning. Like, this is my favorite pattern, and you can tell, like, I've used it in almost every single block. I knew, like, one of them I was like, Julie, you need to kind of switch it up a bit, but I love it so much, friends. I'm so happy I went with the dark blue rather than the light blue. I just think it makes everything just pop right out, and I can't wait to show you all this finished quilt top.